Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how can you fix your Atheros Wi-Fi adapter which is having unstable connection and no signal. So here's a guide for your driver and settings. Fix 1. Confirm Wi-Fi is on and airplane mode is off. Select the network icon on the taskbar and make sure Wi-Fi is turned on. Then check if your network name shows connected below it. Go to settings and then select network and internet. Then select airplane mode and ensure it's turned off. Fix 2. Run the Windows Network Troubleshooter. Select Start, type Settings, go to Settings and then select System. Then select Troubleshoot and go to Other Troubleshooters. Select Network Adapter and then click on Run. Follow the on-screen steps. Fix 3. Forget the network and reconnect. In Settings, go to Network and Internet. Then select Wi-Fi and select Manage Known Networks. Select your Wi-Fi network and click Forget. Reconnect by selecting the network again and entering the password. This creates a new connection to your ISP. Fix 4. Restart your router and modem. Unplug the router's power cable, then unplug the modem's power cable. If the modem has a backup battery and lights stay on, remove the battery too. Wait for at least 30 seconds. Plug the modem back in first and wait for the lights to stop blinking. Then plug the router back in. Fix 5. Reset TCP or IP and flush DNS. Open command prompt as administrator. Then run NETSH, WinSock and reset. Then NETSH INT IP reset. Then ipconfig slash release. Then ipconfig slash renew. Then ipconfig slash flush DNS. Fix 6. Roll back the driver if instability started after an update. Open Device Manager, expand Network Adapters, right click your Atheros adapter, select Properties, go to the Driver tab, and select Rollback Driver. Choose a reason and confirm. If the rollback driver option is grayed out, that means a previous version of the driver isn't available on the computer. Fix 7. Update the driver through Device Manager. Right click the adapter and select Update Driver, then choose Search automatically for updated driver software. If Device Manager doesn't fit an update, check the manufacturer's website for the latest driver. Fix 8. Uninstall and let Windows reinstall it. Try uninstalling the network adapter driver and restarting your computer. Windows will automatically install the latest driver. Before uninstalling, make sure you have a backup driver. Download the latest network adapter driver from the PC manufacturer's website first. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.